But for some beginner players, it takes them a while to figure it out and study it. It is a normal thing to feel frustrated and disheartened if things don't work out the way they want. And in the market nowadays, like K1, Comgrow 2 Pro are only partially open source Klipper. They limit the user's range to some extent, right? More than once, I have received messages from users telling that the reason they chose Sovol was because Sovol's Klipper was open source. So, what do you think about the impact of fully open source Klipper on Sovol? That's what I'm curious about.
Okay.
Yeah, for my
So
part, the open source part of Klipper is a blessing and a curse. If the main trunk of Klipper gets interrupted and people are sort of working off of that, it can cause disruption. But when everything is working good, it's great because we can make it better long term. So there's a back and forth. We've been going through Marlin growth for years. It's been getting better and better. But I remember it's been about 2 years ago, somebody messed the main trunk of Marlin up, and it took a week to get everything back on track for firmware construction because of the ripple effect that it had, for my part.
yeah, that's true. Like I saw the comment say someone say fully open source is like to him is very important, and it is one of the reasons he loves Sovol so much. Yeah, that's why.